afternoon, my little intellectuals. Today, I'll be replacing my old competition Werkes taillight with the new one. I'll also be taking care of my chain because it looks disgusting. But let's get to work. And today, Iris will be joining us. Yes, my girl. All right. Now, I just want to give you all a disclaimer. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. I'm gonna try to figure it out. And we'll see how that goes. Here it looks like I have to undo these bolts. I'm not sure what they go to, but we'll find out. So you all might not be able to see it. I'm gonna try to. I've got 2 pop rivets here and here that I need to take off. Now let's just make sure I don't break them. Wow, really, Ducati? All right, so let me show y'all what Ducati done did. So there's another bolt underneath there that I need to get to, but let's see, it would be right here, right? So if we're looking underneath where he would pull it off at, I'm trying to see if I can get it for y'all. All right, you might not be able to see it. Again, you might also be able to. You see that? I have to actually anchor that point. So up underneath here, let's see if I can see it. I'll blur that out. I have to take this part off. That's, hey, get over here. I have to take this part off right here. So I have to take off my license plate. And then I should just be able to pull it out. Should. We'll Hey. So let me show you what happens when I turn the light on. I don't get any tail lights right. But I get brakes, but no tail. Well, I wonder. It was just a fuse. Wire wasn't plugged in all the way. But that's okay, I'm gonna still use a new one. This is the old one and this is the new one. They're identical. This one's seen some miles. Still good product. I'll probably keep this one as a backup. And then this is the one that's going on. So let's actually get this on and let's finish up. First thing I need to do is put this shit back on. So it should fit. It should fit like so. We got these little brackets in here. you got these little brackets right here. And you just gotta snap all these into, and then there's some down here as well. Alright, boom. Left. See, now here's a problem. That means I got wires mixed up. I've got it going to the right, but the left one's going on. So let's swap those out real quick. Right side. Let's go left. Left side. We done. Now we just gotta put it back together. I love when things work out. Ain't that right, girl? That's right, that's my girl. All right, let's do this. That I'm done. It'll be easy.